Hey guys, this is a dash cam made by LOFOV brand right here. It has 4 cameras. There's 3 cameras on here that you can just twist the right and left, up and down. There's the front, and there's another one that connects to the back of your car. So you have a full surrounding surveillance. It does have a USB connection right here. All the cords come with it. There's a 64 gigabyte SD card included. All the controls are right here at the bottom. So the dashcam has 4 lenses, all of which can record FHD 1080p quality video at the same time, all 4 cameras. It's got a super night vision, which greatly improves the safety of night driving. It does loop recording. When the memory card is full, the oldest video will be overwritten. There's 24-hour parking mode with a 64 gigabytes memory card. Basic practical operation, not complicated. Installation is pretty simple. There's a suction unit included which holds the camera. Camera is very easy to use and will give you extra peace of mind and security when driving.